Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mean from a table worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on calculating the mean from a given table. If you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And after that time, I'll just go on to the next slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave it on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and remember you can click on the provided link if you need any help with these exercises.